On February 14th, 2013, I went to the dentist to get 3 crowns repaired because at that time I was unable to eat or chew food properly. I wouldn't normally go to a dentist unless it was a major emergency. It was my first dental work in 6 years. Here's an email receipt from the visit. So right after I get home, I read an email from my mother, which includes some random video that she thinks I should watch. Here's the email. So this video that my mom sends me, out of the blue, is a video about an eagle who has its beak repaired and is now able to eat again. This was sent to me on the day I just happened to be getting my teeth repaired, so I could eat properly again. Something that she supposedly has no idea is even happening, since I never told anybody about it. I don't usually share health issues with anybody. Just looking at that email she sent, it's kind of weird. Like, it just looks like almost like my mom's AI or something. Just the way it's formatted and the way she talks. No offense, Mom. Rest in peace. Kind of sounded like AI to me. So I noticed these kinds of things, which happen on a regular basis, and they seem like they're on purpose. And when I tell people about them, no one seems to care. These kinds of things don't happen to other people in my life. You know, the kind of responses I get are, you need medication. You have a brain chemistry problem. Or maybe it's Bieder-Meinhof, which isn't remotely like what I'm going through. I'll put a definition of what that is here, so you can see what that is. These are the kind of statements that I have to deal with. But here I am, and here you are. I'm not going to theorize in this video what's actually happening. I'm just here to share information.